Minisita mwebesa agambeire ebinyomwazyo obwabeire ari omugenyi mukuru akujwe kabejwe w'itendekero rya Makerere Institute of Commerce and Vocational Studies erikushangwa omuri kizindisha ka Bushenyi Municipality kandi obutumwa bwe bw'omushomeri wa Commissioner wa Ministry y'ebyobushubuzi Dr. Joshua Mutambi.
Ntongera kubahiga kureba ngo mwagumiza muno mukorana amani, hard work with positive attitude, mube patient.
Twashomesa munonge eby'emikono bitari ebyo kushoma Rhinelands numbijuka ebye nemwe twabye tukubiju because they don't apply in our lives. So this is the best field of study, which is practical instruction.
Ora ambassador wa Uganda omuri Belgium Franklin Katongwe arabwire eminyeto okurekeraho okushisha obwire hamwe n'okutwara ebitare byabo.
Be honest, work very hard and be time conscious. Time management is also very important.
Go outside the world there. We are too creative in this competitive world. Dynamic world.
Evans Mbarara uri mukuru w'ishomero rya Makerere Institute of Commerce and Vocational Studies Bushenyi naida government eyihemu ekintu kyo kushoshora amatendekero ag'abantu buntu.
We as private institutions like this one, we have a challenge of meeting all the costs like salaries, accommodation and meals for students to mention. We appeal to the government to have public-private partnership in meeting the same.
Nanarga ndandikira gukora ishomero litondera n'umuntu narga ndandikira gukora tarukushaza ishomero nisima ruhanga ahabwizo beri kureba kango nargikahoje kandi garakansima n'abazire banje abanchuzinjire Makerere Institute of Commerce and Vocational Studies.
Abeji igana 27 nibo batunjira amabara gabo omukombeka okora amashanyarazi okubazira amakuru okora amashoche hamwe n'endijo myuga y'eby'emikono kandi babuziwe ebyeze bya Makerere University Kampala UBTEB hamwe na BITVET akamanyiso ngo bayikirizibwa okora munsi yona. Gashakwa Mike Watwachiri.